All right, we're just going to start with our springform pan. Like I said before, this is the 3" by the 6". So you can get it a little bit bigger, the 7", but I'm using the 6" today. All right, we're going to start with 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of ricotta cheese. Then when you're done adding the ricotta, you're going to add your spices. So I have a ½ teaspoon of each one of these. We have salt, pepper, oregano, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Then you're just going to dump those all in. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Then you're going to mix everything until it's well combined. All right, when it's all mixed together, you're going to set that aside and pull out your springform pan. Now I am using oven-ready lasagna noodles, so I don't have to boil them. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to kind of measure and then break them so they'll fit right into my pan. Now, the noodles do not have to be pretty. What you're trying to do is just cover up the bottom of the springform pan the best you can. So if you notice, I am using little pieces, and it's okay because it will cook together. All right, so I'm just adding a few more noodles on, and now I am ready to put half of my cheesy ricotta mixture in there. Then you're just going to spread it around the best you can. Now I'm just going to take a handful of spinach leaves and just kind of tear them up and put them right on top of the cheese. Again, it's lasagna, so it doesn't have to be pretty. Next, I have a 24-ounce jar of just traditional spaghetti sauce. You can use whatever sauce you like in your lasagna. Then just spread the sauce around right over the spinach. Now you're just going to repeat your layers. So you're going to add your noodles again. And like I said before, they don't have to be perfect because they will all cook together. Next, you're going to add the rest of the cheese mixture right on top of the noodles. Then just spread it all around. Now we're ready for the spinach again. So I just grabbed another little handful and I'm just ripping it up into pieces so it will lay as flat as I can get it. And again, you're going to add a ½ cup of your spaghetti sauce or whatever sauce you love on top of your spinach leaves. And just spread it around again. Now this is the last layer of noodles. So again, I'm going to try and measure them so they'll fit perfectly into my little pan. Again, you're going to add another ½ cup or so of your sauce, spread it around, and now for my most favorite part, the cheese. So I added about a ½ cup to a cup. I like a lot of cheese, so I added about a cup. Now once you're done with that, you're going to take a piece of foil and put it right on top of your springform pan. Now my Instant Pot came with a steam rack, and so that's what I'm going to use today to cook my lasagna. I know there are a lot of other things you can use for your Instant Pot, but this came with mine, so we're just going to make it easy. Alright, so now I'm just adding 1 cup of water because you need water for it to pressurize. Then I'm going to put my pan right on top. Then you're going to put your lid on, close it, and make sure that your thing is turned to sealing, not venting. You want it on sealing. Then on your Instant Pot, you're going to push manual and go up to 24 minutes. Then when it's done, you're going to let it release on its own, so you're not going to put it on venting for 15 minutes. So now I'm preheating my oven to 450 degrees. Take the foil off of your lasagna, put it in, and watch it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top.